Hey, I'm Andrew Veitch, and this is my 25 GMC Denali HD 2500. I pretty much only use this truck to haul my boat. I used to haul it with my F-150, but because it's a bay boat, it doesn't have brakes on it. So it's kind of hard to stop that big boat with a little truck. I didn't actually choose this bumper for this truck. Ended up getting hit by somebody and didn't want to repair the stock bumper, so I purchased this bumper instead for this truck. This was meant for my 2024 Ram chassis cab. I bought this bumper from BumperOnly because they were the best people to deal with, and their price. They price to get your business. The bumper looks great. Everybody gives me compliments on it. It fits well. It's well built.